Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another skincare video. Now, this was one of the most requested video by you all. Like, I do try a lot of skincare, and there are a number of skincare in the market. So what to go for? So, quite some time back, I did a video on this serum, basically ANR serum, and I reviewed it on my channel. And most of you asked me, is it so economical? And because obviously, if you ask me, it is not economical. And a lot of you asked me, can I suggest you or can I show you some other serums which would work really well on the skin with some affordable price? So I have tried some serum and finally I got onto three, and I thought, let me share my final thoughts with you and share my experience with you. How do they work? So let's straight away dive into the first one. The first serum is the most expensive serum, which I'm going to show you, is the Estee Lauder ANR serum. It's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. Now it comes from 7 ml to 50 ml of product, and you will end up paying 7,900 as a maximum price. It starts from 990. What does basically this serum does? This is like a huge humongous bottle which comes with this kind of structure, and this is how you open the serum, and then you get this kind of a thick decoction in this. And serums are basically more concentrated form of skincare, as in it works deep within your skin cells and repair them from inside and show you a visible difference on your skin appearance, at least after a usage of 4 to 5 weeks. So what does this one do? This is a nighttime purification process serum. It basically repairs your skin. You will actually see a visible difference in the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles, which will look more dissolved, more reduced. And then you at least need to give 4 weeks for this serum to show you that visible difference. Now, what basically you feel after you apply the serum, you feel your skin feels more smoother, more stronger, more radiant, more brightened, and more fresh and more relaxed. Now, this serum in a whole works on every possible problem of your skin. So what are the final positive points of this serum is it is going to fight your aging. It is going to give you a radiant, glowing skin. It is not going to clog your pores. It is oil free. It is dermatologically tested, and it would not clog your pores. I think I have repeated this line again. And it is all skin type. All said and done, this is one of the best serums you can put your money on if you can save some money. I'm not suggesting go for a 50 ml of bottle, try a 7 ml first. That will cost you 990. If you like it, go for a 20 or a 30 ml. It's never said that go for a larger bottle because you may not be ready for that much money to go in one go. So let's move on to the second serum. The second serum is one of my most used, and I think this is my second bottle I'm using, and not the third one. Yeah, this is the second one only. And it's one of the best serums for anyone. I feel the number of people I have recommended this serum have come back to me and said that nothing was better than this. So let's see, what am I talking about? This is the Innisfree green tea serum. Now this will cost you 1950 or 1990, and you get 80 ml of product. Now this is the only size you get. You don't get any small big size. This is the maximum. But 80 ml of product you're getting for 1990. There in the first product you were getting only 50 ml, the largest size, for 7,900. Now there's a marked difference in the price. So this, I just told you that this, I think anybody or everyone can afford it if you just save a little bit of money, and this bottle is going to last you for a year, nothing less than that. So what it does basically, it will again hydrate your skin within. It is a more of a moisturizing serum. It is going to reduce your fine lines slowly, not that not like ANR, but you will see a considerable change in your fine lines reduction. It will give you a smooth, hydrating skin during the day. It is best even used without a moisturizer. Even if you apply this serum and go out, you will feel your skin is hydrated and moistured all day long. And after usage of at least 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see a considerable change in your skin. It really reduces your blemishes, your unevenness on the skin, and it works all day long best. It is not restricted only in the night. You can use it even in the day if you are not having time. And it is all skin type. Again, best suited for very dry skin. But if you're an oily girl, you can use this. I'm a super oily girl. I'm like a petrol pump in summers. So if it's working for me, I think it will definitely work for you. So this is the second one. Highly suggest you or approve you to buy this and try it at least once. Let's move on to the last serum and the most expensive one, which I love absolutely. Last but not the least is the serum of all time. Like, this is one serum. When I was buying, I was not sure. But then when I bought, I was like, really? Okay, what it is, what am I talking about? It is the dot&key skincare skin essential night serum, peony and verbena. I don't know what it is. And here you're getting 15 ml of product, which will cost you $5.95. Now, I would not say it is inexpensive or expensive, but this is the only size you get. You don't get bigger than this, you don't get smaller than this. So if you try this and if you like it, it is more budget friendly, because all in all, if I would say this serum lasted me for 4 months, that's huge time for any serum bottle with 15 ml to work for your skin. And I was using it regularly in the night, and I have seen differences in my skin. So what basically this serum, if you feel what am I looking at down below, it's just that I keep checking myself, like, how about the light? Okay, so what basically it does, it basically moisturizes your skin, prevents aging, and it really gives you that brighten up skin. It prevents from pre-radical damages to your skin also, something which is going to occur, it will stop it there. Then it reduces the appearance of your wrinkles and fine lines, and you will see a considerable change. Like, you can't expect the lines which are there will vanish. It will just reduce something which is already there. You cannot remove it. It's just that you can reduce it. It's hot. And then it has what do you say, age block ingredients in it. And then it says that it is 100% safe for gentle skin. I could agree on it, because this is the most lightweight serum I have ever used in my life. This is like water. This is not heavy. So if it is like water, you see, it's like water. Like, I'll give you one demo on my hands. Like, if you drop it and then you drop it, see, it will just go. It will glide on anywhere. So you have to be very quick when you're applying this serum. So if the molecules are smaller, like water molecules are smaller than oil molecules, so your skin will absorb faster and will start working, because it is less smaller in molecule wise. So I feel always water based or less oil based products are far better for people who are having very oily skin, or people who have an issue of pore clogging. Then these kind of products doesn't create more problem for them. So this really works well. I have already used one bottle. Over, finished, done. This is the newest bottle I bought, and I had to buy it because I wanted to do this video. And since I was shifting and I threw the old water bottle, so again I started using it. Like, I use this any time of the day. It's not restricted, but it's mentioned it is night. So if you can use it on the night, no problem, it will still work. So this is another one which I love the most. So I think now most of you can find your serum by watching this video. If you want to go for the ANR, well, good enough. You can go for Innisfree. You can go for this one also. I will be soon trying more serums, and if I come up with something more interesting and new, definitely you will see it on my channel, or stay tuned on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at the rate bronzing Greek, and I do a lot on my IG and IG story also, so you will know more things related to skincare. I hope you loved watching this skincare serum video. We'll come back to you soon with something more interesting, more intriguing. Till then, bye bye and take care.